Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Art of Decor. In this video, I am going to show you some different modern living room design ideas for decorate your living areas. Want to see more living room decor ideas like this? Make sure to like, subscribe and ring the bell icon. Never miss out on our upcoming videos. Here are some inspiring benefits of luxury living room designs. Elevated comfort. Luxury living room design often prioritize comfort and relaxation. From plush seating arrangements to soft textile and premium materials, these designs create a space where you can unwind and enjoy moments of tranquility in style. Timeless elegance. Luxury living room designs are characterized by their timeless appeal by incorporating classic elements and sophisticated aesthetics. These designs exude an air of elegance that never goes out of style, ensuring that your living room remains chic and fashionable for years to come. Enhance entertainment. Luxury living rooms are ideal for entertaining guests and hosting social gatherings. With ample seating options, well-designed layouts, and luxury accents, these spaces create welcoming atmosphere where guests feel pampered and relaxed, making every gathering a memorable experience. Personalized expression. Luxury living room designs allow for prioritized expressions and creativity. Whether you prefer a minimalist aesthetics or a more opulent styles, luxury designs ideas offer endless possibilities for customization, allowing you to create a space that reflects your unique taste and personality. Increase property value. Investing in luxury living room design ideas can significantly increase the value of your property. Luxury features and high-end finishes are highly desirable among home buyers, making your home more attractive on the real estate market and potentially leading to a higher resale value. Enhance mood and well-being. A well-being design luxury living room can positively impact your mood and overall well-being. By surrounding yourself with beautiful surroundings and comfortable furnishings, you can create a space that uplifts your spirit and promotes relaxation, making it easy to unwind and recharge after a long day. Immersive first impression. Your living room is often the first space guests see when they enter your home, and luxury designs ideas can leave a lasting impression. With striking design element, attention to detail, and inseparable craftsmanship, luxury living rooms make a statement and set the tone for the rest of your home, leaving visitors impression and inspired. Maximize functionality. Luxury living room designs prioritize both style and functionality, from clever strong solutions to innovate space planning. These designs maximize your usability of your living room space, ensuring that every aspect of your room serves a purpose while maintaining a luxurious aesthetics. Inspired creativity. Luxury living room design idea can inspire creativity and innovations. From bold color choice to expected design element, these designs push the boundaries of tradition design norms, encouraging you to think outside the box and experiment with new ideas to create a truly one of a kind space. Ultimate relaxation retreat. At the end of a busy day, your luxury living room can become your personal sanctuary place where you can escape from the stress of daily life and including in moment of relaxation and rejuvenation. With sometimes furnishing soothing color plates and thoughtful designs detail, luxury living room provide this perfect backdrop for unwinding and enjoyable life simple pleasure. In summary, luxury living room designs ideas offer a myriad of benefits from elevated comfort and timeless elegance to increase property value and enhance well-being. By incorporating these ideas into your home, you can create a space that not only looks beautiful but also elevates your lifestyle and brings joy and inspiration to your everyday life. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.